What's up guys, I found a new website where you can use to generate Grok videos for free. You can see the video you're seeing on your screen. I generated it for free using Grok, and I'm going to be walking you step by step on how to also achieve this. So guys, this particular website is still very much free as at this moment I'm recording this video. So guys, jump into it and try it out.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one.
So guys, once you're here, I'll be putting the link to this website. Just check it out in the comment section. So once you're here, I'm going to quickly just sign in for free, then sign in with your Google account. So once you try signing in and you can see, once I tried signing in using my Google account, I got this error. You shouldn't panic. Just what you need to do is just retry it again. So guys, once you retry it with the same email you used the first time, it's going to, you can see it went ahead. So from here, once you're here, you just do all this. Say press and hold, which I did. Now on this side, I'm going to now click here and just skip for now. I'll just go ahead and just do all this, select all this. Next, now click on higher. So once you click on higher, it's now going to redirect to load. You can see you're hired now. You can see now it will now redirect you to another page. Now from here it will tell you to do this. So if you share this particular thing and so your person you share with gets now joined and subscribe to an account, you will get $25, but I'll just do maybe later. So you can always go back to your profile and get the stuff out to share. So now once you're here, I'm going to just, you can see this is how just the interface is. You can just chat here directly, or you click on new chats. All is going to still give you the same result. So I'm going to chat directly from here. What I'm going to do on this attach image, I'm going to click on this, then I will select the image and then attach the image. Now I'm going to send this. So you can see I've sent the image. Now I'm going to now bring in my prompt. Now you can see what I did was using the attached image, or you can say using the attached or uploaded image. Now I now specify the particular model I wanted to use. If you allow it to just, it's going to just pick at random, and most of the time it will end up using either the Cadence model for you. That is it for this particular. If you say, if you check earlier my previous videos, I've done a video on this using Cadence before. So if you don't specify it, we go ahead to use Cadence model for you. But now I have to specify I needed to use Grok for this particular video. So now once I now specify, you should choose the Grok model and it should give me an 8 seconds cinematic intro of this. So enter your prompt, specify the aspect ratio, the model you want to use, of which I specify you should use the Grok model. If you want to use clean AI, you can specify clean AI, but for this I'm going to be using Grok model. So once I specify the model I want to use, I already gave it the image I want to use. That's why I'm saying, well, you can, if you wanted to just generate for you without image, and you don't need to upload any image for it to just automatically on the own form the image and generate it for you. So I specify the aspect ratio. I need it to be 16:9 aspect ratio. I need it to be 16:9. Already my image is already split on 16:9, but just for formality's sake you have to specify. So now after doing that, I'm going to now, everything is okay, I'm going to now click on send. So by the time you click on send, you can see if you scroll down a little, let me just click here, you will see it has started working. It's now working. So the first time you did and send the image, it won't start working because it's more or less like you didn't give it any instruction. So now after uploading the image, you now enter your prompts and send. You can see it will start analyzing and generating everything for you. So let's just wait. All right guys, you can see it has generated my video for me and I'm so excited. So now you can see, now let me go through it. Let's see what. So after sending it, went ahead, went through my DCM. You can see it here. You now say okay, I have your image. Now explain describe what it is. Now I went ahead, you can see Grok video. You check if now I need to figure out which Grok model handles image to video. So after doing that, it now was not able to, Grok model is available, and this was the model it used, the 1.5 preview. So that's what it used to generate this particular video. So you can see what ahead now, Grok model supports video with audio, so it definitely gave me together with the audio. So now you can see from there you can click on this to just download the video, or you can, what you can do, I'm going to just go ahead. You can see just giving like a final what it does. Say put your email now. Facebook will that's it stick to my image, so it will make use of the image I uploaded. Now what's so nice, I see you can click here. Now click on download. I'm going to now download my video, so you can see my video is downloaded. So that's just it. I'll be playing the video after this whole stuff. So guys, I want you guys to try this particular website out, and what you're generating is based on the, now you can say okay, the image video it has downloaded, let me just play it out.
Write that down, remember us!
So you can see that video was perfectly, as in this is a student's standard kind of video, but Grok was still using the Grok model, it still produce it very very well for me. So now you can guys, you can, as I said earlier, you can try this particular website out, and guys, I don't know how long they'll keep you giving all these credits or allowing you to create like this. So I want you guys to ensure you try it out immediately you're seeing this video. So now I'm going to now tell you something. Now if you should specify a longer duration, if you specify, let's say generate for me a 20 minutes 20 seconds video or 1 minute video, if you specify all that, no, as my prompt was detailed enough, because on this particular website there's no option for you to specify your aspect ratio, your duration of the video you want. So you have to specify it in the this. And you can see for the prompt I gave it, I did that, and my prompt was well detailed. So I see it's 8 seconds. I specified the 8 seconds video, so I'll advise you to stick with 8 seconds, because 8 seconds is for this part based on what I listen, it works well on this particular site. And with that, I think you can be able to, on one particular account, you should be able to generate like 2 to 3 videos also on this part. So once you exhaust your this thing, now on the money they are going to, once I think there's a limit, once you go like 4 up to 3 point something dollars remaining in your balance, you can say from here, if I should go here and check my. So once you click on that settings, there is going to bring you to this particular place. Now once you're on this side, you can see we have on the general, that's where you can see that's particular data. You can share your data from here. So that's just it. Now if you come to your billing, so you can see on my billing I still have like $4. Remember I was giving $5 to worth of this to you, which is up. So I currently have used, this is what I still have. Yeah, so this can also still generate for me under that video. With this I can still generate under that video. And one thing there, if you should get to let's say 3.5 or so, something like that, they are going to add, insist that you add link your card to it. At that point, guys, I'll tell you to go ahead to create a new account if you have. So currently on this particular website, me in person, I have like about, I have created like about 3 to 4 accounts on this particular website. So now you need to just do the same thing to be able to keep on generating your videos. Just have multiple accounts to use. So that's just it for this one. So you guys try it out and let me know if it was able to generate your videos for you.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.